Hey lovies, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm a beautician based here in Lebanon, and so for today's video we're going to be talking about, obviously from the title you can see what we're going to be talking about, and I'm going to actually show you and tell you, show you two ways to using it and tell you who should mostly use this technique. So this technique is obviously not for anyone. You can use it, it's not like you can't, but as on a daily basis or as a more often kind of thing, yeah, there's people that are more likely to use it than others. And yes, we're not talking about anything except the viral video that went, the blush video that went viral, where there was a red lipstick applied before foundation and everything, and then you put on foundation and everything. So I'm going to put on, I already applied foundation. I don't know why I can't talk anymore. Okay, so I already applied foundation on this side. I applied the 112 soft beige and 124 soft sand Fit Me foundations. And oops, okay. So I really love this foundation, by the way, like just adding that. So we're going to, since I already applied, I'm gonna use a technique I've used for years. I've used this technique for the last maybe 2 years. So there's this lipstick that honestly I hate the scent of. Like this lipstick, it's a Kisu lipstick, vitamin water sparkling thing in the shade 05 if you guys want. So if you want to know. So I really hate the scent of this lipstick. ريحته بترمى ورد, which is why it's like I don't like it at all. So I just apply it on the back of my hand. Look at the color, is really beautiful. And I've tried to apply it on my lips, but I really hate the scent of it. I can't support it on my lips, so I'm just going to apply. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just going to get it in the bristles and just now keep in mind that I didn't apply anything else. Like there's literally just foundation on my face right now. No bronzer, no contour, no anything. I wish you can see this. I'm gonna apply a little bit more just in case you can't. But pretty much if I wanted a natural makeup look, I could go out like this right now. It's really natural, it's really soft, it's really beautiful. So if you have a lipstick that you don't use this often, definitely use it as a blush. This is a beautiful, like, peachy blush. I really just love how it looks like. So I hope now you can see. I'm gonna play a little bit on the nose. So yeah, you can use this technique. You can obviously use this technique. I always use this technique. Even if I want to apply powder blush, I always use this technique before and then I apply powder brush. It just gives a 3D dimension kind of look. It's better looking. It looks way more natural. Now I'm gonna use the viral blush technique, which I'm going to apply red lipstick. Since if I'm gonna use this, it's not really going to show underneath the foundation, so I'm not going to. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that Kylie lipstick in the shade Goals. I'm going to take the same brush. I'm going to mix it in my hands. This is the actual trick. You need to be very careful. Now, people that can use this technique are people that actually have dry skin. Don't use lipstick though. It might stain your face, so don't use this lipstick. Use don't use such kind of lipsticks. Use these kinds or whatever, but I'm just going to show you. So obviously this is too much. In here I don't have foundation, so we're gonna get to that in a second. So I'm gonna take back the foundations that I've mixed, 112, and this is the thing, so I can kind of see. So yeah, you can't see that there's too much. This is, if you have dry skin, this is kind of perfect for you. If you're not that good with blush, this is good for you because blush is really intimidating. There's a lot of people that don't use blush. I was someone that didn't use blush for years. I didn't use blush. So yeah, this is definitely for people that don't use blush that much, but that they want to get introduced to it. So what I'm gonna do, you see where I start to apply the product. I start to apply it underneath, and then I'm going to start to apply it on top. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more, and I'm just going to tap it on top. now it's starting to give this like natural side. So I'm not exactly covering it. I'm just literally tapping it, and as you can see, it's kind of more natural now, and it's way better looking. And so yeah, you can definitely use this technique if you want a really natural, if you don't want to apply anything else but blush and foundation. Look at just how beautiful and natural it looks. And there's a natural glow. I really love this foundation. It always gives such a natural glow. So yeah, just tap it on top of the product and make sure to spread the foundation on the, like here where you're not going to apply any blush, and just work it in and just tap it in to press the product in, and so that it looks more natural. So these are the two ways to actually apply this viral blush technique. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys are the kind of people that don't really like to use that much product on your face and don't want a cakey face with too much powder and stuff, this is definitely a great technique, and fast, as you can see. I just applied it in a few seconds. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the ring bell, you know, the notification bell, that one. Click it, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. And if you want to actually see how I created this eye makeup look, head to my Instagram. It's in my description box down below, and there's a video tutorial up now on my Instagram. So I hope I'll see you there, and I hope I'll see you in my next video.